Hello and welcome. My name is amulya. You are watching Ease Coding. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Rails 7 on Windows 10. So make sure you already have Ruby installed with WebKit. So go to rubyinstaller.org, click on download and install Ruby with DevKit. I have installed this one, which is recommended. So go ahead and download it. I already have a video on my channel if you need. If you have without devkit Ruby installed, go ahead and uninstall it and install Ruby with devkit. Once it's installed, you can simply go ahead and run this command, which is gem install rails space dash dash no dash document. So this will not install the documents, okay, which will save time and space as well. So let's go ahead and run it. Since I already have installed it, it's not going to make any difference. See, this is the Ruby I had previously installed, and then I ran this command gem install rails, which went ahead and installed Rails 7, which is the latest version, and then you can check the Rails version. Ruby you must have pre-installed. Okay, so now quickly go ahead and let's create a project with Rails 7 on Windows 10. So I have this code folder here, and let's see what we have here. So we have many folders. I'm going to get into our box, and so nothing much here. I'm going to go ahead and create a Rails new project with this Rails new, let's say Rails blog. Sounds good. Okay, now let's go ahead and hit enter, and this is going to create the project in this particular folder. So you can create project anywhere on your computer. That's not an issue. I specifically have a folder where I create projects with different frameworks and also test the languages in their particular folder. So make sure you have installed Ruby with devkit, and then go ahead and install this Rails without documents or with documentation. It's totally up to you. Then you can simply go ahead and run the Rails new command to test your Rails framework, Rails 7 framework on Windows 10. So in a while, I will be able to run the server and test it on my browser. So I'm just waiting for this project creation. So here we go. It takes time. So msgback. Okay, so they are just trying to create this native extension for this particular gem. Addressable. These are all gems. Okay, public suffix. I'm running it for the first time on Windows 10. It works on my Linux desktop. I just wanted to make sure that, just wanted to check if it is going to work on my Windows 10 as well and help others. So it's going to install another gem, boot snap, regex, p, capybara, XPath. These are all gems. One thing you might notice, this project creation takes a bit longer on Windows 10. Okay guys, thank you for your patience. You can see Rails just created this project. Now I'm getting into Rails log that I just created and then going to run the server. Let's see what happens. So this is Rails 7 revamp website. I think it's good. Oh, you can see the server is running. So one thing I noticed, Rails 7 is a bit faster than 6. So I'm going to launch my web browser and the project at localhost colon 3000, and you can see it's working. Yeah. So it's working fine on Windows 10 as well. This is Windows 10 and we are running Rails version 7 with Ruby 3.0.2 devkit. It also has this min.gw included in it. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave in the comment below. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.